Hello everyone, welcome back to QuizRampUp channel. Get ready to test your brain and your body knowledge. Can you guess the human organ before time runs out? Write all your correct answers in the comments below. Let's see how many you can get right. Let the challenge begin.
Guess the organ? The liver, the heart, or the bladder? The heart. What is the longest bone in the human body? The tibia, the radius, or the femur? The femur. That wasn't easy. How many bones make up the human body? Answer A, B, or C? An adult has 206 bones. What do bones need to grow? Sugar, iron, or calcium? Calcium. You can find it in milk, for example. Guess the organ? The brain, the pancreas, or the stomach? The brain. What are these teeth called? The canines, the incisors, or the molars? You've got this. The incisors. Incredible. How many teeth does a human being have? 18, 28, or 32? Let's go! Most adults have 32 teeth, including 4 wisdom teeth. Guess the organ? The gallbladder, the kidneys, or the lungs? The lungs. What is the other name used to say the scapula? The spine, the elbow, or the clavicle? The clavicle. That wasn't easy. Neurons are used to transmit information, produce energy, or circulate blood. Transmit information. Incredible. Guess the bone? The femur, the tibia, or the ulna? The tibia. The brain is a muscle. True or false? False. Guess the organ? The eye, the ovary, or the ossicle? The eye. That wasn't easy. How many liters of blood does an adult have on average? 5, 10, or 15 liters? Five liters. Which of these choices is not one of our 5 senses? Hearing, smell, or sleep? Sleep. Guess the bone? The kneecap, the mandibles, or the coccyx? The coccyx. What do the letters IQ mean? Undefined quotient, intelligence quotient, or immature quotient? It means intelligence quotient. How many liters of saliva do we produce on average each day? 1.5 liters, 3 liters, or 5 liters? Let's see if you can crack this one. Yes! It's 1.5 liters. Which protein gives the red color to the blood? Hemoglobin, plasma, or betadine? Hemoglobin. Where are the lumbar located? In the belly, in the lower back, or in the legs? In the lower back. That wasn't easy. What is insulin used for? Regulate sugar levels, cause hiccups, or put the body to sleep? Regulate sugar levels. How many pairs of ribs do we have? 12, 14, or 16? 12. What type of blood does a universal donor have? A plus, O negative, or AB plus? O negative. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes, the phalanx, or the radius? The stapes. It's located in the ear. Guess the organ? The trachea, the stomach, or the small intestine? It's the trachea. Which term refers to fat? Carbohydrates, lipids, or glucose? It's the lipids. Which bone protects the brain? The spine, the skull, or the sternum? The skull. How many chromosomes does a human have? 26, 36, or 46? 46. That's a total of 23 pairs. What gas is exhaled during human respiration? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, or nitrogen? Carbon dioxide. What do the letters DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid, natural dehydrated acid, or neutral distilled analysis? Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Thank you for watching QuizRampUp channel. For more such interesting video, please subscribe our channel.